You can animate buttons using themes, so let's dive into Godot. So I'm gonna make this a user interface scene, and I'm gonna hit the plus button and add a button. I'm gonna press F to focus it and zoom in a little bit. And I'm gonna put some text so we can see the button more clearly. And then I'm also gonna hit the anchor preset and I'm gonna center it just like that. And then we can go down to the theme. We can press empty and we can make a new theme. You can open up the theme and you want to save it. So I'm gonna save this as, I guess this theme can be called new theme, maybe. And then on the type, we have none currently. So we can hit the plus button and we can search for button. I'm gonna select the button and add type. And then I'm gonna drag this out a little bit until we see the rainbow part. And this is where you control the looks of it. And I'm gonna make a normal. So I'm gonna hit the plus button here and I'm gonna make a style box flat. And we can open it up and I'm gonna give it a little bit of corner radius just to make it look nice on the corners. This is not essential and I'm gonna make it a little bit darker as well. Something like that, I think. And to the part that actually controls the position of it, if we go down to content margins and we have the bottom here, you can see that if we move it up, let's say by 10, you can see that the text moves up. And you can also change the expand. So let's see if I find the expand margins. We can expand the top. So maybe you want to expand the top a little bit and you also want the text to move up a little bit. You can make it like that. I'm gonna copy this and on the press I'm gonna hit the plus one and I'm gonna paste it here as unique. And then we can just reset the old values. And now if we go into the preview for the theme, we can see that when we press the button, it moves up a little bit. For some reason the text isn't moving up, but if we run the scene, I'm gonna save it. It's very small, but you can see that the button is moving up when we press it. And you can do a little bit more than this, but this is the basics of how you can make the buttons a little bit animated when you give them a theme. And I actually prefer having the part that goes up when you hover something, and then that when you press it, it goes back down again. So to do that, you would add it to the hover instead. I'm gonna paste it as unique, and then I'm actually just gonna copy the normal and paste it on the pressed one as unique. And that way, when you hover it, it goes up instead, and when you click it, it goes back down again. That's something you may wanna do. Thanks for watching, and special thanks to my members. For source code, custom videos or coaching, check out my Ko-Fi, and I'll see you in the next one.